Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, what's wrong with Nigerian national team, guys? Our good brothers in Nigeria, their national team, finding it difficult to even win football games. Looking at the players they have. In fact, this Nigerian national team, when we look at their players, as if they assembled them, as if they are a team, they bought them. Yes, from different teams together because they have everything. Yes, looking at Nigerian national team, like they don't have a single excuse, a single reason why they should not win a football game, particularly or especially the kind of games they are losing or drawing. I don't understand. Look at their front line, even their midfield, Ndindi, the experience Ndindi. How many seasons Wilfred Ndindi has been in the Premier League? He has been in the for so long. When we come to the forward, Osimhen, dream signing for certain teams, big teams in England, ECWC, Simon, Iwobi, Lookman, African best player. In your team, you can't win football games. African best player. In your team, you can't beat Zimbabwe. I'm sorry for Nigerian national team. No. My respect to Zimbabwe. You know, football is football. They also came to play and win. Yes, but Charlie, in football, let's be honest, we have levels in football. And this Nigeria team, their level is that high, top-notch team. Yes, from their back line to the midfield to the attacking area. Yes, experienced players, good players. As I said, dream signings for big team in England, in Europe. Yes, I don't understand. So that means there is something wrong somewhere. Yes, and for me, I will say it and say it, keep on saying it. In fact, in modern football, if your team doesn't have a good coach, forget about football. Forget about your team winning important games, must-win games, necessary games. It takes a lot from coaching for your team to win football games. If your coach don't know it, he don't know it. See, they can bring all the best players in the world. Ronaldo, Maradona, Zidane. Any good player you can talk about in this world. If your team doesn't have a good coach, at the end of the day, he will make them look average. He will make them look nonsense. I'm telling you, coaching is very, very important in football. Nowadays, football is everywhere around the world. Football even now play on paper. Some people are learning football from books, from paper. So the way you understand football, the same way someone also understands football. So now it is very, very difficult to know this team. You can just go over them, beat them. No. Nobody is walk over again in football. As I said, football is now everywhere. When we come to the monetary aspect, now everybody know that there is money in football. And when we come to the fame aspect, everybody know that there is not fame in football. And when we come to the technical aspect, most footballers are now technical. Yes, so football is now more difficult than the past. So if you don't have a good coach who can read the opponent, understand their loopholes, understand their disadvantages, understand their problems, so that your team make good use of your opponent problems and your opponent, it will be very difficult for your team to win football games. And this Nigeria team, for me, I see it, one of the problems is their coaching problem. Yes, the same as our Ghana Blasters. But for us, we are lucky. Yes, our guys are now coming back to form. We are winning football games. I will come to that. And even I will speak about South Africa. So please continue watching this video till the end. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And please turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming on this channel. Yes. So guys, Nigerian national team. Like someone telling me Nigeria will not qualify for this World Cup, I won't believe it. Having Osimhen. Just we have been chasing Osimhen, chasing him every season here and there. We don't even know this season we'll get him. Osimhen is a good... See, any Chelsea fan, please. This international, okay, maybe the international break is over. Please take your time this season. Watch Osimhen football. Maybe go and watch his highlight or Galatasaray. You know that we really need him. Yes, among all the strikers, Osimhen is the best striker that we can get. Among all the strikers we link up to, I can tell you, injury apart, let's hope he come and be injury free. Apart from that, Osimhen is a good finisher. He is a striker. Osimhen is, see, when you look at this Nigeria team playing, when you see Osimhen, you know that this guy, he want Nigeria to win. If Nigeria national team to have Osimhen top 5 or 6 in their team, they will be topping their table by now. Yes, they will be topping their table. So now, football is now based on coaching and determination. Determination. Players being serious. Players want to play for the badge. Players want to play for the team and for their country. As I said, now you can't count technical footballers in modern football, in world football. There are so many technical, brilliant footballers. So what will differentiate you from average, you being the best, is you being serious on the pitch. Now, talent aren't enough. You have to be serious. You have to be determined. Yes, look at Lookman. As I said, Chukwueze, Simon, Osimhen, who and who, and Ndidi, and Tong, they have a good defender. That Tong Eric and Tong or who, Bassi at Fulham, Aina, our former player, yes, our academy boy, Charles. Look at their team. So now it left with the players to give their best. Now it left with the players to die on the pitch. Yes, sometimes the tactics and the talent aren't enough. The determination and the players being serious. The players want to play for the country and the badge is also important. So guys, Charlie, things are going to happen. So I'm telling you, we are going to see a lot of things in modern football. Yes, when your players are good, they have all the names in the world, and they go into the pitch and they are not being serious, you get beaten. Yes, you got beaten. I'm telling you, your team will not win because your players are not ready to put in the effort, to put in the match work, to be serious on the pitch. So, our dear brothers, let me hear from you in the comment section. Yes, what is wrong with Nigeria national team? Because as I said, for me, looking at this Nigeria national team, they don't have a single reason why they should lose a football game. Yes, they have everything. They have everything. Looking at this Nigeria team, look at like England national squad. Everybody is there. Even those of the foot, those players of the foot. Yes. And guys, let's come to South Africa. In fact, South Africa national team, we are underrating them. I'm telling you. See, over the past few years, their national team, they have been playing beautiful football. One of those teams in Africa that have the chemistry in their team. You can see a team having 4 players, even to 6 players from the same team coming to play for their national team. You can imagine. If I can remember well, or if I'm not mistaken, during the AFCON, South African national team, their backline was from the same team. I'm telling you. And it matters. So in football, chemistry matters. In football, players understanding each other matters. Particularly when we come to the defensive line. And this South African team, they have that. I'm telling you, you can see 2 or 3 or 5 players coming from the same team to play for a national team. And they have a good goalkeeper. Yes, they have Williams. I like him. During the AFCON, look at the penalty that he saved. He set the records, yes, during the AFCON. The number of penalties that he saved. Yes. So guys, this South African team, they are nothing but beautiful. They are nothing but good. We are underrating them. Maybe because over the past years, we have not seen South Africa in football. But recently, they are good. They are difficult to beat. I can still remember when they came to Ghana. I think that was, yes, World Cup qualifiers. We managed and beat them on penalty. They even said, yes, we robbed them or something like that. After now, South Africans are taking that against Ghana. No. We didn't rob you. Yes, no. But now, I'm telling you, South Africa, they have a beautiful team. Playing expensive football. And their league, so far, one of the best league in Africa. South African league, one of the best league. Everything is working well there. Their pitch, yes, I even heard their payment. They are paying their players very well. So even when you are playing in South African league, you don't need to go to Europe. Yes, everything is okay there. Everything is working there. And that is good. I even heard Algeria also the same thing. Morocco also the same thing. Their league is doing well. That is good. That is what we want in Africa. Yes, it isn't that we just want to be watching the European. No, 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 no. Because the Europeans are doing it very well. Imagine you tune in your TV, you go and tune in Ghana Premier League. You saw the pitch, brag, 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 brag. You saw the players, even their jersey, not on point. You saw when you look at the atmosphere, yes, and then you go in the league. Let me see the Premier League. Chelsea, Crystal Palace playing whether in Stamford Bridge or Crystal Palace. You see everything, the branding, the pitch, the jerseys, how they move the ball, how everything on point. So some of us were watching the Europeans because they are doing the right thing. If Africa start doing the right thing today, see, some of us will. I love my football. I love my African football. I love my Ghana Premier League. But just that, we are living in a world where there is competition. When we come to football, everybody is now doing well, except some of our African countries. Yes, our league are so poor. Look at Ghana Premier League. The pitches, everything. Recently, our brother got killed. I haven't heard anything from me whether they were able to arrest the perpetrators. Yes, you see, things are not working. Yes, our systems are not working. If they tell you in a football games number of police that's supposed to be there in the venue, the stadium, when you go to our Ghana, you will not see that rules being observed. So the systems are not working. I can't leave the good football and become a watching my football because I love my football. I can't love my football when we are not doing it well. When we are not doing the right thing. And as I said, we are living in a world where there is competition. Yes, I can't see good football and become a watching bad football. So we love our football. I love my Ghana Blasters. I love my Ghana Premier League. I love my African football. But my Ghana football, my African football, they must present it well in my face. They must sell it very well to me. Not sell it anyhow. I can't buy it anyhow. Looking at European football. So guys, South African team, they are good. And in football, the best team should qualify because we want to see fantastic World Cup. Yes, 2026. Oh, yes. Want to see competitive World Cup. So we are wishing all the teams the best, whether South Africa will qualify, Nigeria will qualify. But for Nigeria, their team looks so good not to qualify for the World Cup. But they still have the chance. When you look at Nigeria team, they still have 4 games to play. Yes, even still to play against South Africa. So maybe if they can win all their games, but it will be difficult. So for me, maybe South Africa will qualify. Yes, this Zimbabwe game was the chance for Nigeria to recover, or to be counting themselves one of those teams to qualify for the World Cup. And our Blasters, in fact, for us, we are lucky. We are back to winning ways. Yes, we could not qualify for the AFCON. That was a shame. But when we come to the World Cup qualifiers, we are doing well. Yes, because for me, I didn't believe we could beat Madagascar that 3 goals. Yes, I was thinking maybe draw or even get 1 goal and defend it. Yes, and get our 3. But we went to Morocco and beat them 3-0. That is good. We are lucky. It seems everything is working. And that is what I said. It isn't that when we look at Otto Addo, my respect to him, yes, he's winning recently. We have to celebrate. He's doing well. But to be real, to be honest, he is not that elite manager, elite coach. He's not that good coach. But because our players now, they understand how it means to play for the flag. The Ghana flag, the national flag. Yes, now when they go onto the pitch, they are serious. Look at our defense. Jiku and Co, Suarez and Co, they are defending very well. Yes, Thomas Partey, in fact, Thomas Partey is the definition of football. I can say in Africa, he's the best midfielder. As we are speaking now, Thomas Partey. Everything on point. His movement of the ball, his position on the pitch, his directions on point. The first time I am praising Arsenal player, I'm telling you, Thomas Partey, I love you. Look at the headings. Oh, Charlie, well done. And Jordan, in fact, for Jordan, the less to talk about him is better. When it comes to football, technical, he's brilliant. Technical, Jordan is good footballer. I'm telling you. Africa, not Africa, the whole world, European football, nobody can play penalty more than Jordan. When it comes to penalty, Jordan is the definition of penalty, even more than Messi and Ronaldo. To be honest, the guy is good on the legs. He's technical, brilliant, technical, super good, excellent. Charlie. Just that our team also, we assembled them from different teams. Yes, they were new, no chemistry from Semenyo, from Inaki Williams, Jordan. In fact, from different teams, they just met within 2 or 3. So they have to play for some time and build the chemistry. And now we can see it. And there's Nuama and Co. And even Fatau and Co. are still injured. Pinstel and Co. are still injured. Imagine all these players will come. We will have a fantastic squad. A dangerous squad going to this World Cup. And for Ghana Blasters, I think we have to start washing our jerseys. Yes, and start maybe working for the American visa. Or else we will qualify. Or the way things are now looking, we know football, anything can happen, things can change. But there is future for us. We can see ourselves in United States. Yes, Ghana Blasters. So, please, American Embassy, please, we are coming. We'll come for the visa. Please make it easy for us. Yes, to go and watch our Blasters. We may even win the World Cup. Because defense win you trophy. And Blasters, now we have the defense. Let's hope they stay injury-free. Jiku and Swalesu and Co. Yes, Gideon Mensah. When I see Gideon Mensah, like I'm seeing Kukurela. Yes, the powerful Gideon Mensah. The aggressive, the strap Gideon Mensah. He's all over on the pitch. The guy is. So guys, I'm wishing all our African brothers the best. All our African teams the best. The good team must qualify. All the good teams should qualify. Whether South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, who and who, Benin, who and who, Togo. I'm wishing everybody the best. Yes, for Ghana, dear. For me, I start watching my JC. Yes, I watched this JC yesterday. After this video, I will watch it. I will start arranging my things, my dresses for the World Cup because we are going to Canada, America, Mexico. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, particularly or especially our Nigerian brothers. What is wrong with your team? What is happening to your fantastic team, your expensive team, your good-looking team, guys? Let me hear from you under the comment section, and please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.